Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove a 2004 Chevy Silverado door panel. Start by gathering a flathead screwdriver, plastic trim tools, a 10mm socket, and a small magnetic tray for screws. Work on a flat surface and disconnect the battery for safety. Locate and remove visible screws, pop off trim pieces gently, and lift the panel to access clips. Take photos for reassembly and label fasteners to avoid mistakes. Gather the right tools before starting to save time and prevent damage. You will need a flathead screwdriver, Phillips, plastic trim tools, a 10mm socket, and a magnetic tray. Wear gloves and safety glasses for protection. Work slowly when prying clips to avoid breaking them. Photograph every step to guide reassembly and organize fasteners by door section so reinstalling the panel is straightforward and stress-free. Take breaks if you feel frustrated. Start by lowering the window to access hidden screws and remove the door handle bezel carefully. Unclip the speaker grill and pry trim from the bottom edges using plastic tools. Disconnect electrical connectors for switches and mirror controls before lifting the panel upward to disengage top clips. Check for remaining fasteners behind armrest or storage pockets and use labeled bags so nothing gets lost during reassembly. Take your time to avoid broken clips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.